Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. The Honda Accord is the ultimate commuter car, offering sharp aesthetic lines with effortless speed and practical fuel economy. Still, if you wish to maximize your comfort on long highway trips or safeguard your leather, choosing top-tier mods is crucial. Today, we are breaking down 28 awesome accessories designed specifically for the Honda Accord. We're covering everything from high-tech dash cams and premium seat covers to performance pedal covers and organizer bins that give your cockpit that extra bit of edge. Whether you want pure protection or high-tech functionality, these items add serious value. Every item featured in today's video can be found on Amazon, and I've included all the links for you down in the description below. Let's jump right in and check out the best Honda Accord accessories you can get right now. The very first thing you can add is floor mats for Honda Accord. Your Honda Accord's cabin deserves maximum protection against everyday mess, dirt, and wet shoes. Upgrading to all-weather floor mats gives your sedan custom molded coverage that traps water, mud, and debris right in its tracks. Made from non-slip, eco-friendly materials, these mats fit like a glove around your front and rear footwells, keeping your factory carpet pristine and making cleanup as effortless as a quick spray with the hose. Next on the list is cargo liner for Honda Accord. Whether you are loading groceries, sports equipment, or dirty luggage, a heavy-duty cargo liner keeps your Accord's trunk completely protected from spills and scuffs. Custom measured to fit every curve of your trunk floor, it features raised edges to contain accidental liquid leaks before they soak into your carpet. It installs in seconds without slipping and wipes down easily, preserving your car's resale value with zero hassle. Next, must-have rear bumper protector. Loading heavy suitcases or golf bags into your trunk can easily scratch up your painted rear bumper. Applying a sleek rear bumper protector adds a rugged layer of defense right where your bumper takes the most impact. Made from durable rubber or brushed metal with an anti-slip texture, it covers existing scuffs and prevents new ones while blending seamlessly into your Accord's refined rear end. Next item in our list is door sill protector. Every time passengers hop in and out of your Accord, shoes and heels can chip away at the painted door sills. Installing a set of custom door sill protectors shields these high-traffic areas from unsightly scratches and wear. Made from scratch-resistant materials, they stick on securely and give your entryways a clean, customized look that upgrades your interior every time you open the door. Next item on the list is armrest cover. Your center console armrest takes constant pressure from elbows, coffee spills, and sun exposure every single day. Sliding on a padded armrest cover gives your Honda Accord instant protection against fading, cracking, and stains while providing extra cushioning for long commutes. It installs effortlessly with flexible elastic bands, maintaining a tight, factory-style look that keeps your interior feeling fresh and comfortable. Next accessory in our list is rear side window louver. Give your Honda Accord a sportier, more aggressive profile with a set of rear side window louvers. These aerodynamic shade covers block harsh sunlight from heating up your back seat while giving your sedan an iconic performance look. Made from high-strength ABS plastic, they attach securely using auto-grade adhesive tape with zero drilling required, completely transforming your car's side profile in minutes. Next, we have front bumper lip for Honda Accord. If you want to give your Accord a lower, sleeker, and more dynamic front profile, adding a front bumper lip is the ultimate style upgrade. Tailored to match your bumper's exact contour, it improves front airflow while protecting your original paint from scrapes on steep driveways and parking curbs. It brings that high-end sports trim look straight to your daily driver without compromising ride height. Next on the list is trailer hitch for Honda Accord. Expand your sedan's versatility by equipping your Honda Accord with a custom-fit trailer hitch receiver. Perfect for mounting a bike rack, a lightweight cargo carrier, or towing a small trailer, this receiver bolts directly underneath your chassis without ruining your car's clean lines. Finished in a rust-resistant powder coat, it gives you the extra hauling space you need for weekend getaways. Next add-on in our list is window visor. Enjoy fresh air inside your cabin no matter the weather outside with a set of sleek side window visors. These custom contoured wind deflectors let you crack your windows open during rainstorms without letting water drip in, reducing cabin heat when parked and minimizing wind noise on the highway. They mount smoothly along your window frames, adding both functionality and a sharp, streamlined style to your Accord. Next product in our list is gear shift knob cover. Protect your shift lever from daily hand wear while adding a sharp interior accent with a custom gear shift knob cover. Designed to wrap snugly over your Accord's factory shifter, it guards against scratches from rings and prevents the knob from getting burning hot in the summer sun. It offers a soft, non-slip grip that feels great in your hand and instantly elevates your center console styling. Next on the list, we have knob cover trim set for Honda Accord. Small interior details make a huge difference, and adding an anodized knob cover trim set gives your Accord's climate and volume dials a high-end luxury touch. Made from lightweight aluminum with textured grip edges, these custom rings slip right over your plain factory knobs in seconds. They add a pop of color and tactical grip without any tools or tape, protecting your control dials from wear and fading over time. Moving to the next, we have gas brake pedal cover. Give your Accord's footwell a sporty, high-performance makeover while upgrading your driving grip with a premium gas and brake pedal set. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy with anti-slip rubber studs, these pedal covers provide maximum foot traction in wet or muddy shoes. They slip on securely over your factory pedals with zero drilling required, giving your cockpit an instant luxury feel every time you step inside. Coming up next, we have windshield sunshade. Protect your sedan's interior from scorching summer heat and damaging UV rays with a custom-fit windshield sunshade. Tailored specifically to cover every inch of your Accord's front glass, this shade reflects direct sunlight to keep your cabin significantly cooler when parked. It prevents your dashboard from cracking and keeps your leather seats comfortable to touch, folding up neatly for easy storage under your seat. Next, must-have key fob cover for Honda Accord. Your key fob gets tossed into pockets, bags, and onto hard surfaces every single day, leading to scuffs and broken buttons. Protecting your Accord Smart Key with a custom TPU or leather fob cover seals out dirt and cushions impacts from accidental drops. It retains full button responsiveness and keyless entry signal while adding a sleek, personalized look to your daily keyring. Next item in our list is rearview mirror cover. Elevate your cabin's interior accent with a custom rearview mirror cover designed for a seamless, factory-like fit. Whether you prefer a glossy carbon fiber pattern or a sleek piano black finish, this cover snaps on effortlessly to shield your original mirror housing from scratches and sun fading. It is a quick, tool-free detail that adds a sharp, stylish touch right in your line of sight. Next on the list is door handle cover. Everyday use, fingernails, and rings can quickly scratch up the paint around your exterior door handles. Installing a set of custom door handle covers creates a rugged protective barrier against daily scuffs while giving your Accord a sportier, high-trim exterior appearance. Made from tough ABS plastic, they attach firmly with auto-grade adhesive and hold up against car washes and harsh weather. Next accessory in our list is leather seat covers. Transform your Accord's interior comfort and luxury while shielding your factory seats from spills, pet hair, and wear with custom leather seat covers. Designed to contour perfectly around your seats, these waterproof covers feature airbag-compatible stitching and work effortlessly with your built-in seat heaters. They wipe clean in seconds, giving your cabin a sleek, high-end look that preserves your car's resale value. Coming up next, we have center console organizer. Stop rummaging through a deep, messy armrest storage box just to find your coins, keys, or phone charger. Adding a custom drop-in center console tray organizes that deep cavity into dedicated compartments for your everyday items. Built to fit like an original factory piece, it keeps your small essentials within arm's reach while leaving plenty of hidden storage space underneath. Next on the list is bright interior LED lights kit. Upgrade your Accord's dim halogen interior lighting with a crisp, high-output LED light kit. Replacing your original map, dome, and door lights with modern LED bulbs instantly brightens your cabin, making it far easier to find dropped items or read at night. These energy-efficient bulbs produce zero flicker, generate less heat, and snap right into existing light housings for a fast plug-and-play upgrade. Next accessory in our list is cargo net for Honda Accord. Keep your groceries, sporting gear, and loose items from sliding around or tipping over in your trunk with a flexible cargo net. Designed to clip directly into your Accord's existing trunk mounting points, this high elastic netting holds bags firmly in place while you drive. It keeps your cargo organized, prevents damage to fragile items, and unclips in seconds whenever you need full floor space. Next, must-have mud flaps kit for Honda Accord. Shield your car's lower body paint and rocker panels from road salt, gravel, and mud splatters with a custom-molded mud flap kit. Shaped specifically to follow your Honda Accord's wheel arches, these durable guards stop flying road debris right at the tires. Built to withstand freezing temperatures and heavy road impacts, they keep your sedan cleaner and rust-free no matter the season. Coming up next, we have Car Dash Cam. Protect yourself against unexpected accidents and fraudulent insurance claims with a high-definition dash cam built for your Honda Accord. Capturing crystal-clear road footage day and night, this essential device records wide-angle views of traffic, detects sudden bumps while parked, and automatically saves critical footage. It mounts discreetly behind your rearview mirror without blocking your vision, giving you complete peace of mind and evidence on every single drive. Next on the list is seat gap filler for Honda Accord. Never lose your phone, keys, or loose change down that annoying gap between your seat and center console again. A custom-fit seat gap filler slides right over your seatbelt buckle, blocking the drop zone completely without interfering with your seat adjustments. Crafted from flexible, soft-touch materials that match your interior, it keeps your driving space organized and saves you from frustrating searches under the seat. Next, must-have trunk organizer for Honda Accord. Keep your cargo space neat, clutter-free, and functional with a heavy-duty trunk organizer tailored for your sedan. Featuring non-slip bottom grips and adjustable compartments, it prevents groceries, emergency kits, and detailing supplies from tumbling around while you take sharp turns. When you need your entire trunk floor open, it folds down flat in seconds, making it the ultimate storage solution for busy daily commutes. Next item in our list is steering wheel paddle shifter extension. Give your Accord's cockpit a true race-inspired feel with a set of sleek steering wheel paddle shifter extensions. Precision machined from high-grade aluminum, these extended paddles give you a larger surface area to shift gears effortlessly without taking your hands off the wheel. They mount securely right over your factory shifters in minutes, adding an aggressive touch and a more engaging driving experience. Coming up next, we have Screen Protector. Your Accord's infotainment touchscreen is the command center of your vehicle, making it vulnerable to fingerprints, scratches, and harsh sun glare. Applying a tempered glass screen protector guards your display against everyday scratches while preserving original touch sensitivity and HD clarity. It features an anti-glare, smudge-resistant coating that keeps your screen looking brand new and easy to read in direct sunlight. Next add-on in our list is Dashboard Cover Mat. Shield your dashboard from cracking, fading, and intense summer heat with a custom contoured dashboard cover mat. Designed with precise cutouts for all your Accord's air vents and sensors, it blocks damaging UV rays while dramatically reducing windshield glare for safer driving. It lays completely flat, adding a soft, clean texture to your cabin while protecting your vehicle's interior value over time. Next product in our list is anti-dust door pocket inserts. Keep your cup holders, door pockets, and center console trays free from dirt, sticky spills, and annoying rattles with a custom anti-dust insert set. These non-slip rubber pads fit perfectly into every small storage nook in your Honda Accord, cushioning your keys and coins so they do not make noise while you drive. They lift out effortlessly for a quick rinse under the faucet, keeping your interior looking detailed and spot-free. Transform your Honda Accord with accessories that combine sleek, modern styling with everyday practicality. Whether you want to protect your interior from daily wear, enhance organization for long highway drives, or add functional upgrades that improve comfort and convenience, these accessories are built to elevate every ride. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. For more content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel.